Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to find product key in your Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will try two ways in this section. First of all, we will go to a very easy way to find out our product key. So first, you have to come over the search options and then search for CMD over here and then click enter. By this, you will open the CMD command prompt over here. And now I will go to my notepad and select these first sections, copy it, and paste it over here by Control V. Don't worry, give you this note in video comment sections. So don't worry about it. So what I did, I just copy this first note and then paste it over command prompt. And now we will click enter. And by this, I will, here you can see, this is my original product key. Here you can see, I got it by a very simple way. If you are not able to get it, then you have to try the second way. It's very simple. Just press Windows plus R and here is a run interface will appear. And now you have to write regedit. This regedit, you just have to write. And now when you write it, then you have to click OK. And a control panel, a user account control options will appear. You just have to click yes. And then here you will come over. So here you can see we are in registry editor. So what we do first, we have to look for HK local machine over here. Just click on this option and we are in HK local machine. After that, we have to click software. Here you can see software. So after that, you have to find out software and just click on it. And then you have to look for Microsoft. So, and now you have to look for Microsoft over here. Here is Microsoft. Click on this. And after that, we have to look over Windows NT. You can find out a W section very easily. Just click on this first file and click and press W in your keyboard. And here you can see we are in W section. And now you have to find out Windows NT. Here you can see, here is Windows NT. Just click on it and then here we are in Windows NT. Now we have to find out software protection. We just have to find out this. And here you can see we are in software protection platform. Here you can see. Just click on it and then here we are in software protection platform, and now here you will get this option called backup product key default, and this is your product key in Windows 10. Here you can see this is. If the first way is able to find out your product key, then it's okay. If the first one is not worked, then you have come over the second ways and this will must be worked. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.